How to fix Instagram message error on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram message error on Android or iOS phone. First, open Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's any update here, and if you found it, just click on it. And if that doesn't fix your problem or you can't find any update here, and now let's move to the next step. Go to this one here, turn off your Wi-Fi, restart your phone, open Instagram and turn it on again. And if that doesn't fix it and you have an Android phone, go to apps again, type here Instagram and click on it. Then click force stop, this one here, force stop, and go to storage, clear cache, and give it all of those permissions here. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.